Most men over 30 trying to lose belly fat are training hard, eating clean, but still have way too much visceral fat. It doesn't have to be this way. For those of you who don't know, I'm a nutritionist with a master's degree in performance nutrition who has helped over 200 men eliminate excess visceral fat without having to cut carbs or eat one meal a day. Today, I'm going to show you this simple strategy that's helped many of my clients drop their visceral fat fast and how you can finally see real changes in just 30 days. Before I show you how you can eliminate your visceral fat, we need to understand one of the biggest lies when it comes to visceral fat that keeps men from making progress. Several years ago, I met a guy in a gym. He was going around telling everyone he had 0% visceral fat. This guy was shredded. To get to 0% visceral fat, you need to fast and you need to do fasted cardio. This taps into your fat stores. This was one of those moments I wish I had a body cam. 0% visceral fat is impossible. You need a certain level of visceral fat to protect your organs. Visceral fat makes up around 10% of your overall body fat. It's the fat that's hiding deep in your belly, not the stuff you can pinch, which is called subcutaneous fat. When you're at 25% body fat, you're in the danger zone. High blood sugar, high blood pressure, chronic inflammation. Visceral fat is a problem. But when you drop closer to 15%, that's where visceral fat slides into the safe range. No need for a shredded six-pack, you just need to be lean enough. Now that doom and gloom is out the way, the good news is that visceral fat is way easier to lose than the stubborn belly fat you can pinch. When you lose fat, your body burns it first. No special fast breathing method or fasted cardio. Now you know what visceral fat is and why you need to lose it. Most men quit when they're not seeing the results they want. That's why you need to know this simple method for tracking visceral fat. When Hossam came to me, he was around 30% body fat. He thought he was just over 20%, but the real issue wasn't his body fat percentage. I really need to shift this belly. I read it's the dangerous part. How do we do that? Should I get a DEXA scan? This was a great question. I replied, DEXA scans are inaccurate and a bit tedious. There's a far easier and more reliable way. We will take bi-weekly waist measurements and also measure your hips. That way we can use the waist to hip ratio. When we started, Hossam's hip to waist ratio was around 0.9. We set a target of 0.8. So you're probably thinking, how do I do the measurements? Grab a tape measure like this. Wrap it around your waist, just above your belly button. No sucking in. With your hips, you want the widest part. Then, once you have those two numbers, divide your waist by your hip measurement. If it's over 0.9, you've got far too much belly fat and your risk is high. If you want to know how much fat you have to lose and how long it will take, just put your details into my free calculator like this. Links in the description below. Now you know how to track your visceral fat loss. Here's how you can eliminate visceral fat in as little as 30 days without cutting carbs or just eating one meal a day. Right, imagine your body fat is like your bank account. Money comes in, that's the food you eat. Money goes out, that's your body burning energy to keep you alive, moving, thinking. If more comes in than goes out, your bank account grows. That's fat gain. If more goes out than comes in, your account shrinks. That's fat loss. Now imagine some guy walks up to you and says, I've got a special type of pound coin that'll make your bank account shrink by adding it. You tell him to piss off, right? Or at least I hope, because that's just bullshit. Money in is money in. Doesn't matter if it's 5 or a 20 note, it all adds to the balance. But that's exactly what the fitness industry is selling you. This food burns belly fat. Total nonsense. There's no magic food, no magic supplement, and no secret cardio move that targets visceral fat. So why do many gurus still push that garbage? Simple. They want you to think you're missing some secret trick so you buy into their solution or their cult. Here's the truth that will save you months of wasted effort. Visceral fat responds to one thing: total fat loss in a calorie deficit. That's it. Your body doesn't care if the deficit comes from normal balanced eating, cutting carbs, or skipping breakfast. Create a deficit and your body starts to eliminate visceral fat in as little as 30 days. Here's what to do. Step 1, you want to know your starting point. Measure your waist and hips. Takes 60 seconds, then calculate your waist to hip ratio. Step 2, get your numbers. Plug into the free calculator below. It will show you your starting point and calorie target. And step 3, track your progress, your calories, your weight, waist to hip ratio, and photos. Look at 4-week trends, not one single data point. So now you know how to set yourself up to lose visceral fat. But this next part is what many fitness gurus will completely miss. But it's the difference between getting results and actually keeping them. When Hossam first tried to lose his belly fat years back, he went full steam ahead. Less than 50 carbs a day, 6 HIIT sessions a week. And sure, he lost 15 pounds in 6 weeks. Then his joints hurt. He was exhausted. And after one normal week, he regained 5 pounds and lost all his motivation. He was following an unsustainable plan. When Hossam lost 50 pounds for good, we did the exact opposite. We used a high carb approach, 4 focused muscle building workouts weekly. Then we did what most gurus completely skip over. We built in some flexibility. Not a cheat day or cheat meal, just some meals out and foods he loves. He was actually eating more food thanks to enough protein and fiber. Walking an hour a day because he actually enjoyed it. And some weekends, he'd double that just for fun. Workouts were simple and targeted, less than 1 hour, and done first thing in the morning because that worked for his schedule. The best part, this was a plan that Hossam could stick to. His waist started shrinking even if the scale paused. Then his waist to hip ratio was dropping. Simplicity makes it easier to follow. Progress keeps you motivated. And that's how it becomes a lifestyle, not just another diet you quit in a month. No gimmicks, no extremes. Just a method that actually fits your life and keeps working. So now I want you to start with my free fat loss calculator. Figure out where you're starting and exactly where you need to go. Seriously, stop hunting for that one magic trick. If it existed, I'd be preaching it here and probably racking up way more views. If you want my help getting your visceral fat as low as you need and a plan tailored to you, apply it for coaching below. Spots are limited because you get direct personal access to me every step of the way. So now you know how to eliminate visceral fat in 30 days. If you want the exact diet that makes fat loss feel simple, check out this next video. See you there.